Some people will never understand how heavy your silence has become. They will see your smile, but never the storms you survived alone. There are nights when the world sleeps peacefully, and you sit awake, fighting battles nobody knows about. You lose people, you lose hope. Sometimes you even lose yourself. And the hardest part? Life does not pause while your heart is breaking. But listen carefully. The darkest nights create the strongest souls. And maybe this pain was never sent to destroy you. Maybe it came to introduce you to the person you were meant to become.
There comes a moment in life when everything falls apart at once. Your plans fail, people change, dreams collapse silently, and suddenly you feel left behind. You start comparing your life to everyone else's success. You watch others win while you struggle just to survive another day. And slowly, the world teaches you a dangerous lie, that you are not enough, not talented enough, not smart enough, not strong enough. So you begin doubting yourself. You stop trying. You stop believing. You stop seeing your own value. But pain has a strange purpose, because rock bottom has something most places don't: truth. When everything is taken away, you finally discover who you really are. Not the mask, not the fake confidence, not the version people wanted. The real you, broken, tired, human.